Government of India is the one who's running the show. Hey, Kaudagi government of India ki lilani, Mamang the Sumaina state government and Matamda manning the Moina Sana Bening, Angana Siakoi who's Masi Usanadana Legadi Manganico. Aduna Anova Sakam Laisuna, manning the Gedum, Sanarakpagi Yabagi, Poti, Yam no Wang, kind of the Moina Toropaninaco. Other Aina Mana CM or Kana in the city, Mimna Sumaying on the personally, thank you, Harambe. It's Karsini Mayam, the kind of Wigis Congress ki MP Nang City, and it's just everywhere. Mature culture under the congratulation, I expectation of the main target cities you all never. At the Hangaibu question, the answers to the all never. That the CM and the government must stand up for the people of the state. In the Agi constitution, Makhada Labor state ki power and Magi legitimate authority, particularly law and order say. See, assert of one of them, have the Nancy Mina DGP Silo, Adu Silo, the chairman, Adu Oibada, you should take over law and order. India constitutional system, the state central government, absolute power is with the state. It's a clear judgment by Supreme Court also. I Mamangi conference, press conference, Haijagi Duneva. Ambedkar na Hairamba Wahayama Constituent Assembly, the court Tauraga Supreme Court na judgment people on this matter. Kari Haige the Ambedkar Wahaisi Court Torama Haida. Law and order is the sovereign and the plenary authority of the state and the Supreme Court. And Kutingan Yadev says. Tingjan ge high kada di magi 355 the obligation nam le duna state na defend tawanga makrakanda government of India take over tawni that he can do it only after he dismisses the government aduna tana sarkar amal lei leina state ki sarkar amal lei leina lenga amna na Delhi na government of India na pai bia de it is illegal unconstitutional aduna laibak thibadi mamangi ta thoi ba sai anim khaisi da ba frantana state government na leiraga de facto salai the government of India salai ne adun officer monamiki bunker to guy the ko no state government the order log the video viral chakid ne officer so no adu tohanda ba if he can do that then nasai haribudo effective na adu ngamdraga di limited oini ngamoi de high but very limited effect oiganeba cosmetic adjustment here and there toga token aduna actual taugaita di Manipur state ki police kalhandaba yade makoi ki authority legitimacy kalhandaba suya yaro se aina hari se jom constitution scheme ni law and order state subject oire absolute authority sumoi ki oire bani na India the anybody hang biobo ko law and order ki magi first responder and first responsibility is the state police state ki police no egadabni state ki police delegitimize aur ga solar laga CRPF na army na law and order nga khadabu na te India system de yaw de bato and akoi gi Manipur police assert to matau yam oi aduna I think the government of Manipur they na appeal town basa Manipur ki state ki police se Mapangal kala lo madu kalan bai se India ki constitution chalan mani India ki constitution chalan badam ni chalan basi da Manipur police sola laga Indian constitution Manipur da chalai re du yaro baduna see these are the implications adu no ye questions da hopeful brother I have suspicion government of India na kayam na tawrakada ge adu ga son of the soil ni assert of you authority assert of you say ni constitution na people authority ni adu wang na te ko adu ngamgadra ngamoda se myam si engbi adu wai gi this suspicion khara dilai adu bu cosmetic here and there dikha khati torokani adu dai da pentho ga lai se HAIBA ma adu ai gi mutuna the first step the government of Manipur should do is take over and reclaim law and order as its domain akoi law and order se akoi state ke lai nga kini na tawraga Manipur gi state ki police se Mapangal kangaran ba mai legitimacy se hengat han ba si hek tawdri gai di law and order satrigai de khon hai ba poppy gi drug ki adegi illegal nobody can handle it nang state to hana authority ko adu do le handraga di yaro adu maina hai tare noi li handa ki sida koina yamna nungai ba hai tare akoi koi gi tangkhul gi ga kuki gi MLA singa una da naga wari sadana santaina bo honoris asi mature political culture amagi sign ne basis So mamang thokib da khoi jing am hogdri ne ba sigi culture je khoi da wat khib ne ba me gi third gi ko arigi individual natte communal ne communal on thoke tor ko da moina thing ni na moina leader sing na chalaga aduna differencing se kamaina democratically resolve to bugi ya bai process ama akoi elected members in the tore se yam thagan ningi asigi se mature political culture ni adu laibak thibadi haukiba khoi gi May gi tang ahum 2023 de tholok sigi maturity se khoi gi political class no moina dum hena mai su sanna na to gi pot am yaw se miam da su ma se khoi khena ba se ubi yo ba se sigi potse hujik laiba lehori ba khoi gi MLA singchina su sumaina wari sarga tawri se threaten ga tawraga wari sarnda na tab sigi litan gi du utliba mogi maturity political leaders amoina tawhom thokpa civil society na tawhom thokpa asigi maturity se hujik manipur gi crisis da su masi utpa mathok tai leidiba different political leaders singchina unaraga wari watai sabagi mathok tai atsima number 1 aina haijin second na thoi bi irang se photo da kai da provoke to na nongoi paraga group tawri se masi state na ne akoi mamang gi 2023 gi me de tholok ki so don masi control to da vida thamagi hebe se sigi mami mache ram sudum taiba unfortunately akoi gi suspension of operation lai re hairaga karmai to na sigi pai thokne chime si accountability ma fix to chungani aduga arjan to na yum mai tha na ko to se phana yare ha su masi akoi gi law na yade lai pak na yade haibuduma akoi utpa mathau tai aduna I appeal to the government akoi new government ama lai se makoi da aina appeal to zening basi make the culprit accountable logi magi tohom thokudo action lokhalaga masi normalize to hon bigano nongoi paraga kocha chatpa se amase state ki leiriba army natraga CRPF BSF natraga police moi natana atopa kanguna sumaina phone na chatpa se masi normal ohen magi culture am lai se masi thingba mathau yamna tai aduna security forces singi leiriba mayam sina makhoi gi presence ta mai sakko ko pase masi accountability ma fix to ma thau tai na in sarkar su matik sab action lokhana na ba aina appeal tawning bani manipur se communal line do ju ai pau da yaw rai ko za tawrai ko ai hai sini furuki maming level da oigera individual level da normal grievances pain da khot da objective level da legitimate form da line up tawna ba ngakna duga communal ge lens tawraka demand di khoi di pibam thokte to di India gi unasu pibam thokte hande lejaba position eduna akhoi mia mitna singna lebam to mai disi amuk kangbu omna vested interest na sigi group ahum ani ka khana laga sona ani ma khana re sona ani khana di ahum thokna yela si gaina natraga di hayeng gena ra kudo moi gumoga ani khakang yena gi ni gaina ai sum khalli ko that cannot be ruled out very vested interest can play politics asi level khana halisi su ain khalle batai tarok tadna kadai de kino ukhul sai si tawrai se kari gina why this doesn't happen in Senapati ai khalam me ba hamado ko so whatever happens jam mitna signal leba ma changi tawrai ba se any incident sing ti kari tawrai no duga khena ba su miyam na khangoba ma mathau tai akoi gi elected member na gu una na santai na bo honorai ba peace appeal tawrai ba se that's a very good step it is expected of political leaders. But that did not happen in the earlier case. That's the unfortunate part. But the CM visiting, I think I welcome. That's a sign of a good administrator. I want the Matamda the party to so if mina PHATRAGANA or the PHEI. And Masai cookie Tankul man wari saridna. So mine Iran the tak tolerga wari watai sabi muta nungani nimita bakoi to kaina re changna dare to kai tadori dog sometime Kalaba third me dubu Masai homeland tan be type to Tauribrai say nai ta HAIBA say on a phone high one ko. Aduna I ngasai mamang kung do never. I give position or in a D personal position aduga mayam no ubiga the woods to go. Communal basis the political demand piga the one genuine grievances labor sing jaya koina kamai address ogane da decentralization di kayum kai de gi mota de ko aduga furuk ki namada exclusivist agenda da tawbadi manipur da natna india su kaina da bagi maru hunbaga chap mana ne aduna adumba do siso khoi alert oba adu khakta nate thoi birang se ngasai jini ngasai gi irang si manung si da MLA ga unadana santai na bai muta to khai tare mai tai ju leite ngon nung si jang communal nate individual misunderstanding ni kind of honorable deputy CM na ga high paper yaure ba I khoi di I de heka ho da gi volep ngai mamang da don't blame the entire community blame their politics and elites I see jantar mantar da ngang ba consistently duna ni ba community da taina ka dau na te I khoi di si community da taina han gram ne ba adna pot ama tana ba silak pra hai ba gi ne alertness amadi manipur myam khu selaga lei ba mathau tai